Now this is what I'm talking about, baby.